We're going to be installing a UPR dual valve catch can today with our Pro Series check valves. Now, a lot of you guys out there might think that it is snake oil. For you guys out there that have half a brain, you know that's not true. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and I'm in Harlow's Bronco. That's my daughter, and if you've seen already, we've done some mods on this truck already. Transformed it from the factory stock look to an awesome looking Bronco, but it's time for some more mods. We're going to be installing a UPR dual valve catch can today with our Pro Series check valves. Perfect weather outside to do an install, 90-something degrees, South Florida. Let's get rolling. Here we are outside with Harlow's Bronco and the UPR dual valve catch can. This is one of our most popular sellers here, and the reason why is because it works. What it actually does is it captures oil mist that comes from the PCV before it goes back into the intake, intercooler, and your combustion chamber. Now, a lot of you guys out there might think that it is snake oil. Well, for you guys out there that have half a brain, you know that's not true. We have another video up there of my Bronco Raptor that I ran the same exact catch can on. After 2 months of use, I opened it up and dropped it out, and you saw how much oil that it captured. You don't believe me? Go ahead and check the link in the description. So, this kit comes with everything you need to install. OEM style connectors, beautiful black anodized finish, and this thing does a phenomenal job. So let's get going and put it on Harlow's Bronco. And make sure to click the link in the description for more information on catch cans, how they work, as well as for all the vehicles that we offer them for. So what'd you say, Joe?
I said it's gonna take me about 20 minutes to get done.
Time you?
Time me.
All right, let me get my phone, start it on camera, and then we'll check and see how you do.
All right, before you start, let me get the tools I need so that I don't have to be running back and forth. Because once I start...
You didn't make that part of the deal before.
All right, fine. Call it 25 minutes with me getting all the
25 minutes, no tools outside. You're gonna go and have it all installed, ready to go in 25 minutes.
I think so.
Let me get my phone and start the clock.
Okay.
I don't think you got this in 25 minutes. Honestly, if you didn't have to get the tools, but you know what? We're doing it that way, all right?
Yeah, 25.
25 minutes. You ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
All right, time to get her going.
First thing on UPR's instructions is to install this bracket here for the catch can onto the battery box with the supplied brackets and hardware. Next thing UPR has us do is unhook these two fittings here and pull off this hose. While we're here, we can go ahead and install those UPR hoses, starting off with these hoses here that have the 45-degree angles to them, as well as this check valve here. Now, you want to make sure this check valve is pointed away from the catch can, as the flow is going to be going into the intake manifold. The other end of this hose is going to be routed toward the catch can. Now, we have the hose with the 90-degree ends on it here, which is going to be routed on the other end of this PCV system here. We'll go ahead and route it underneath this charge pipe and onto this PCV fitting. Nice. Now over here on the driver's side, we want to go ahead and loosen this 7mm clamp here. We're going to go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver and pop this clamp off here. Once you have that clamp removed, you can go ahead and remove the other side and remove this little coupler. Now, using an 8mm socket and a ratchet, you're going to want to go ahead and remove an 8mm bolt here, an 8mm bolt here, and an 8mm bolt here that holds in that inlet tube to the lower assembly here that hooks up to that turbocharger. Now, once you have that loose, you can go ahead and pull back that inlet tube and remove this piece of tubing here. Once that piece of tubing is removed, you can go ahead and install this UPR tube here with this additional port on it for the catch can. Tighten those clamps. The UPR one does use an 8mm socket instead of that 7 like the OEM one did. Now the next hose we have to remove here is this one, which goes ahead and pops off right there. And then another one down here at the lower inlet that pops off just as easy. There we go. Now that hose is out. Now we can go ahead and install this breather here that goes on this valve cover. This clips on. And then per UPR's instructions, we can go ahead and reinstall this hose here, routing it down here, back onto this fitting, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn it here to fit that fitting. Now from there, all there's left to do is to install the UPR catch can into its place. Now with the catch can in place, we can go ahead and start connecting all of our hoses. And we have 1 minute and 15 seconds left, so we're going to take a break.
Pressure is on, Joe.
We're taking a break.
Dude, I gotta say, for finding all the tools and doing it in 25 minutes, that's a hell of a good job.
Hey man, in my first catch can. So the first hose here that we hooked up onto the intake manifold is going to go onto this left fitting here. On the catch can, the hose here that is hooked up to the passenger side valve cover is going to go onto the top. And then this hose right here is going from the right side of the catch can all the way over to this UPR inlet tube here in front of the turbo that we installed. You also want to make sure all the check valves are going away from the catch can.
And just like that, the UPR catch can is installed on Harlow's Bronco. Hats off to Joe for doing it in 25 minutes, not even have the tools in front of him. Well, UPR does a phenomenal job with their hoses, all cut to length with the fittings already on them. The bracket for the can itself is already made and screws in right into place. That's why it's so simple to install. Now we're gonna follow up with you guys here in just a little bit once we do an oil change on it to see how much oil mist it captured in that can and prove to you guys it's a worthy product of purchasing. And last but not least, a huge shout out to my fam over at UPR Products. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support over the years with all of our vehicles and stuff. We do excellent business with those guys. Great guys to deal with, awesome products. I love you guys. Thanks again. With that said, if you guys have any questions about any of these UPR catch cans or you're looking to pick one up for yourself, definitely click the link in the description for more information. For now, I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here.